we gonna got our new computer. Open it up. So we got some foam in here. Ooh, foam. And out of all the videos that I've seen, everything is going to be in here.
No.
Look, want to see a mouse?
Yeah.
We'll unbox this real quick. See the mouse?
Yeah. What's that?
See it?
Yeah.
Alright, to set the macros up on it. Alright, let's get the other one out. I don't think we need nothing in this baby girl. This is warranty, power cord, reinstall drivers, basic books, tell you how to operate it, yada yada yada. Keyboard. Don't think it's mechanical.
Daddy, what?
Look here, baby girl. You want to show off in the camera?
Yeah.
I do an unboxing and you want to show off?
Whoa, Daddy, hide in there?
No. Put that in there.
You want to jump on it.
Here. No. Alright, go over there.
What is this? And what is this?
It's just a box, love.
Just 7 quarters.
Huh?
Hey,
7.
Daddy, you help me hide?
There's nothing they can do about it, though, Nana. We weren't home. I didn't expect it to be here this early. Not that early. I was expecting at least a 2-week delivery. Which I'm not complaining about.
Probably just really big.
They have all.
On your YouTube, but don't post it on Facebook.
Mommy said it was tiny.
Out of all the videos I've seen, the best way to get these out,
I see ya. Mom.
just like that. You wouldn't believe how many people I've seen trying to fight, pull it out. They put one foot up on there. And, yeah.
Do not have to bring that other computer in. To get the other one.
Gotta wait to it.
That's big.
Yeah, it's really big. See if everybody can get in here and see it.
Mom.
It's got fan control speed on it. That's cool.
Where does Hayden stove?
Oh no, baby girl missing.
Daddy.
What, honey?
Where's this part?
Oh, you're okay.
Now, moment of truth is to make sure the inside's good. Thumb screw, thumb screw.
Yeah, I read that sometimes people get those for.
Yeah, the
Mommy, you open this spot. Mommy, you open this spot and twist the side.
What do what?
Open this spot and twist the side.
Open what?
Open this spot and twist the side.
Open the box, twist the side.
Yeah.
What's in here? It's a person. There's a baby in this box. Should we keep it? Do you want to keep this baby? Why?
what you got?
Do you want to keep this baby in this box?
I guess we'll keep that little baby Daryl.
Oh, we're gonna teep her. We're gonna teep her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen to this. It's dark.
Stop it. Right now. Stop. Get out. You're gonna cry. Get out.
Huh?
You're gonna cry. Get out.
Well, at least everything in here looks good. That's a good thing. They got a bigger, that's not the,
Shut this!
the motherboard they had in the previous. This is a bigger motherboard. But that's good, because I was only had 2 DIMM slots. Another one. Now I got 4. So that's good.
I'm about to close the box and send you off a UPS.
1 fan up front, 120, 1 in the back. Well, I'm gonna fire it up. See where we go from there.
The screen before you do it.
Oh yeah, I got a box of screen here. Only thing I'm going to want to do is this wire management though. Like I said, they just stuck the wires in
Don't
there.
fire me up.
Yeah, I got all that stuff.
Dad, don't fire me up.
Don't fire you up?
No.
Okay.
She said let's fire it up.
I don't know if everybody's seen the mouse. Or not the mouse, sorry, the keyboard.
Mommy, I'm in
Big girls don't get passies.
I'm in a passy. I'm in a passy. Mommy.
Hey, man.
Mommy. Mom.
Cadence.
Mom, you shut this. Mommy.
Yes, give me just a minute.
Shut this.
That's cool.
Shut this.
It does feel good.
Shut this.
Cadence, baby girl, relax. I'm gonna throw the box away.
Come on.
All right, let's put this to the side.
Mommy, open this button.
Check out the monitor. Cadence, you need to relax with the box.
I see it, baby girl. Stop.
Just open this button. What?
Cadence, I did. I seen you, baby.
I don't even want
Go get some toys. Play in your box. Now you need to stop and relax.
Kids.
No, bend that one. Back that way.
Hey, you know what?
What?
I ain't got the headset. Or did we not order it?
Yeah.
You did order it?
Yeah.
Might be in the mail later.
Just put all this shit together. There was another box.
Power cord.
This is a new toy.
P-sub cord. UVI cord. Audio. Couple HDMI cords. The book. Power for something. The monitor. Stand. Don't break that. I want to keep this now. No, because if I need to move this again, I ain't going to put it in just a random box.
The baby wants to go in here.
That looks slick.
It's better for that's why the front does look like.
I like that
don't
brushed
have the
aluminum.
edges.
Yeah, it's got that seamless edge on it.
Yeah.
Well, that is it. I'll give specs on the PC, and I have to turn it on, install Windows, and I gotta wait for my headphones. But as for now, I'll fill everybody else in later.